a Friday fireside chat. Yeah. Okay, if you want in on this season's giveaways, then type into the comments, "I want in," and you get a bingo ball.
We need to mix them up good. There we go.
It's as simple as that. Okay, this Friday's Fireside Chat is brought to you by Ian Y. Gath. Yeah. Thank you, Ian, for being such a strong supporter of Pappy's Corner. For today's Fireside Chat, I have a tale called A Bottle of Wine. There was a woman who worked near a Indian reservation, and on her way home, she happened to notice a elderly Navajo woman walking alongside the road. She decided to pull over and offer her a ride. The Navajo woman accepted, and they had some small talk while they were driving along. When the elderly Navajo woman happened to notice that there was a bag sitting next to the woman driving, and she asked, she says, "What in bag?" And the woman replied, "Well, that's a bottle of wine. I got it for my husband." And the elderly Navajo woman, in a wise, elderly, quiet voice, said, "Good trade." And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace.